everybody, welcome back to another video. Two things before we get started. First of all, do you guys like my second Christmas sweater? And secondly, I apologize for the weird lighting in this video, but it's just that time of year when we basically get no sunlight, and today it just happens to be extra gloomy outside, so don't have a ton of natural light to work with here. Today we're talking about gifts that you can get the plant lover in your life for Christmas. Or it doesn't have to be for Christmas or any other holiday. These gifts are great all year round. Normally, I don't start my Christmas shopping until December because I find I can't get into the Christmas spirit until the 1st. But because of everything going on this year, I started my shopping in early November and it felt really weird. If you're able to, try to buy from small local businesses this holiday season because they need our support more than ever right now. So without further ado, here are some plant-themed gift ideas. The first thing that you can get are seeds and bulbs. Every gardener will appreciate having something new to grow in their garden when spring comes. And seeds and bulbs are pretty inexpensive, so you can get them as many or as few as you'd like. You can get them seeds for stuff that they've never grown before, which I think is such a cool idea because it gives them the chance to try something new and fun. For example, we have these seeds for cucamelons, also known as mouse melons. And okay, maybe I did buy these for myself. But it's a really unique crop and I feel like not a lot of people have grown it before, so getting them things like this could be something very fun and exciting for them to try. My second gift idea is this mini tea garden kit. I'm gonna toot my own horn here for a second and say how proud I am of this gift. I made it myself and I'm so happy with how it turned out. Like, look how freaking cute it is! This kit includes a pot with some rocks in the bottom for drainage, some soil, mint, lavender, and chamomile seeds, and planting instructions. I'm also very proud that everything in here can either be composted or recycled. The bag of soil is in a craft paper bag, so that can either be composted or recycled. The jute string can be composted, and I taped the seed packs with washi tape, which is biodegradable. I think these garden kits are such a cute and fun idea, and there are so many possibilities with what types of seeds you could put in there. For example, you could do a pizza garden kit where it comes with seeds for tomatoes, basil, and oregano, or you could do a pesto kit where it's literally just a crap ton of basil seeds. And it's not just limited to herbs and vegetables. You can also do a wildflower garden kit, which our pollinator friends will definitely appreciate as well. Another gift idea for your plant-loving friends are books. Don't say it's a boring idea just yet. I'm personally not much of a reader, but I know there are a ton of people who like to sit down with a cup of tea and a good book during the winter. The type of book you get really depends on the person. If they are completely new to the plant world, you could get them a book on how not to kill their houseplants. If they have more experience, you could get them a more sciencey book that goes into the biology of plants. Or if they just want something cute for their coffee table, you could get them a houseplant picture book. Even though I just said I'm not much of a reader, there are a few books that I picked up this year that I actually really enjoyed. I've really gotten into learning about foraging, so I picked up this book on mushrooms of Ontario, and there are a ton of location-specific guides that you can get for things such as berries, medicinal plants, flowers, etc. My other favorite book I got this year is Braiding Sweetgrass. This book has become so popular in the gardening community, and it is such a great read. It teaches you a lot about indigenous values and relationships with nature, and after finishing it, I had a whole new appreciation for plants and the earth. Very good read, highly recommend it. No plant lover's home is complete without some plant-themed artwork. Prints are an amazing way to spruce up any space in your house. This one in particular was made by my friend who is an amazing artist, and I'm gonna leave a link to her Etsy store down below if you want to check her out. Buying stuff like this is a great way to support local artists, and you end up getting a piece of art that's unique and beautiful and will always look amazing in your home. And on that note of supporting local artists, plant-themed jewelry is a great gift for someone to carry a little bit of nature with them and show the world how much they love plants. I recently got this little necklace from an artist called Little Juniper Jewelry, and it has a little baby fern leaf in it, and it's so cute and so precious, and I just love it. She handpicks and presses all of the flowers and leaves that she puts into her jewelry, so no two pieces are the same. I'm gonna leave her information in the description as well if you want to check her out. The next gift idea is not as cute as the ones I just mentioned, but I think it's something that every plant owner should have, whether you're a beginner or an expert. And that is a moisture meter. This little gadget lets you know how much moisture there is in your soil, so it helps prevent you from overwatering or underwatering your plants. All you gotta do is stick it in the soil. Every plant has their own water preferences, but typically if you put this in the soil and the dial is in the red zone, that means that you need to water your plant. If it's in the blue zone, that means there's too much water. And if it's in the green zone, you're doing just fine and you can hold off on watering your plant. Super handy device, I highly recommend. The next gift is something that I think is so personal and such a great way to get new plant babies, and that's to give plant cuttings. If you have a mother plant that's looking a little leggy, or you just want to thin it out a little bit, take a cutting below a node, put it in some water, and once it's rooted, you can give the plant cutting to your friend. And on that note, if your friend doesn't have anything to put the plant in, pots are always a great idea. I always like going to the thrift store to find my pots because you can always find something super unique there, like this little dude. And don't worry, they also have plain pots if you're not looking for something too crazy. So those are my gift ideas for what you can get the plant lover in your life this holiday season. If you have any other gift ideas, feel free to let me know down in the comments. I also want to do a few more holiday themed videos, so if there's anything in particular that you want to see, please let me know. I mainly just want more reasons to wear all my Christmas sweaters. And don't forget to check out the description box for links to the artists I mentioned in this video, and also to a few other stores that I personally really love if you're looking for something extra special this year. Like and subscribe, I'll see you later. Bye!